So this is the old patio. As you can see, all the walls aren't designed for, they're not child friendly at all. So what we're doing is taking the old patio and all the walls away, and we're going to build some new retaining walls and make this a bigger patio area so they can entertain. We're also, the oil tank there, we're going to screen it so you can't see that, and there should be a corner sofa here coming in. So we've just finished the patio area here at this beautiful Essex barn. So before, there was walls in the way, there was tripping hazards everywhere, big bits of wood, and it just was really awful looking. So now we've got this beautiful brickwork. This sleeper bed here, when it's planted up, is going to be a natural fall barrier for people. The table and chairs are going to go back on. Over there, the oil tank has been hidden with a beautiful cedar screen. And if we walk up this way, so the patio area is the same footprint as it was, but all the walls and all the steps have gone. So it's a big space for entertaining. And over there, by where the oil tank is going to be a corner sofa. And then you can just step up onto the patio area, and then the difference in height, step up onto the new step, and it's all open, so you can just step from the patio area onto the lawn, and you didn't have to go through that silly step with the big balls. And then along here, so where the pizza oven was and the barbecue, we've actually put it inside so it's not in the way. So they've got a special place for a barbecue. So come the summer next year, we've an absolutely fantastic space for alfresco dining.